Happy Thursday. Welcome to your Cooking and Cuisine Challenge. Is there a ghost in the machine today? Only one way to find out. What spice is derived from the dried berries of the Pimenta dioica tree? Correct. Allspice. The umami taste is primarily associated with which amino acid? That's right, glutamate. The Jianbing is a popular savory crepe-like street food originating from which country? That's right, China. What is the primary purpose of a kitchen scale, especially in baking? Nailed it! Precisely measuring ingredients by weight. Doubanjiang, a spicy fermented bean paste, is most closely associated with which Chinese regional cuisine? Correct, Sichuan. Which popular canned soup brand, often a staple in college dorm rooms, features a cartoon child on its label? Nailed it, Campbell's. Which cheese is traditionally used to make the cheese sauce in a classic Croque Monsieur sandwich? That's right, Gruyere. Which type of knife is specifically designed for removing the bones from poultry and meat? Correct, boning knife. Which of these ingredients is not a chemical leavening agent? Boom! Correct. Yeast. What is the name of the specific type of Chinese noodle made from mung bean starch, known for its translucent appearance? Nailed it, glass noodles. Challenge complete. Follow for famous landmarks tomorrow.